Glad to.
Hey Vivek, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, quickly, I'll introduce you in this case. So,
Thank
Sanya
you.
has already been part of previous sessions, and I'm so glad that you are here. And honestly, being an entrepreneur, you really add the value because entrepreneur और creatives मिलके ये session ले रहे हैं, so बहुत अलग scenario हो जाता है. And I'm
Absolutely.
glad that you also are now part of Logo Se Logo Tak program. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I did find it very actually um how do I put it across? In fact, more than entrepreneur, of course, that was the main objective. But now when you offered this in detail learning, I also want to learn as a new skill as a designer as well. Um
Amazing. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So that's the thing. And yeah, today I have a question about, mainly from the entrepreneur side.
Yeah.
So the one agency, basically, they were not agency, they were trying to offer everything end to end. For the benefit of everyone, I'll just brief what we are talking about. So
Yeah.
I do have a handmade soaps and a bathing solution kind of a startup. And the what do you call, the company I outsourced to, they are already a soap manufacturer, and they were offering a solution that we'll do end to end, right from execution of your order, shipping, and we do also take a manufacturing and everything. So I gave the what do you say, social media part also to them, including the designing and everything. So what is happening, somehow they are not able to understand, because they do work with freelancers. And it's just like, even they are in a learning curve, those designers are still like, I think they are also going through their own journey.
But in,
So they're not able to execute what is the ask, and there is no, I keep asking, give me a plan, like put a, like even if not 6 months, give me 1 month's plan, or like 2 months plan. They're not able to deliver that.
right.
Now I approached a different agency where I saw their, and they're just coming up new in their social media as well, promoting their company and all. And I did approach them asking like, how do you do other than apparels and fashions. So they were open, and they said give me like 3 or 4 profiles, what you uh, feel that you liked about those Instagram profiles. So I did specify using different elements of the Instagram profile of a different businesses. So they created a pitch. Now they I mean, this is all a new language for me as well, agency creating a pitch. And they have sent like, what will be the mood, what will be the language and everything.
Great.
So now they talk about, they did ask me what is my budget, and I quoted. Now they're saying, what is it? They gave design and mood reference pages. So they did come up with different Instagram profiles as well. And they're talking about what will be done as their scope of work, and so on and so forth. And they talk about retainer fees. So it says social media retainer. That is one part of the scope. The second part is labeling, which is one time cost. And one is per illustration charge, and the other one is logo, which logo doesn't apply in my case. uh, and per illustration they have quoted. So now I need to understand
Labeling is
what does
what
it all mean.
exactly the packaging for you?
Yeah, they have provided a packaging, and they say social media retainer.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I need to understand what does this mean, social media retainer. You did give a brief explanation about social media retainer, but now that I'm working with the agency, and I'm not able to understand what does it mean, the social
Got
media retainer.
it. Got it. Do get the cost validated with me in person. I
Sure,
mean,
I'll do that, Vivek.
and then go ahead. Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I will
So
get in
you
touch.
want to understand whether to go. You want me to help evaluate this scope right now, right away on this call?
Yeah, we can do that as well.
Great. I'll do that now. So very first you talked about outsourcing this to some company जो सब handle कर रही थी, and then they were not able to pull off, so you are now looking for some social agency.
That's right.
Cool. Now, is this agency claiming to be an agency जो under one roof सब कर लेगी types, or is very
No,
specific to social
no,
media?
they're very clear. They are only going to do social media and content, and labeling. They have a, like, they do in-house, but it's not like exactly their forte.
Still trying to
And
understand this
when I
part.
asked about
Labeling,
website,
you
they
mean your
clearly said we can.
packages? By labeling, you mean your packaging designs? Your soap?
Any new product, any new product that I come up with, those labeling.
Okay. Ultimately the packaging design, like the packaging for that product.
That's right.
ठीक है. Cool. So I'll tell you how it works. In social media, yes, there are retainerships. Like you don't pay one time for any particular thing. You lock an amount for every month. So it is usually we decide on first quarter, like as per market standards. It differs from client to client, person to person, but usually, like in 99% cases, it's a 3 month first quarter which is decided. Like we will start with, for example, 25,000 per month, and this will go on for 3 months. Okay? And then after 3 months, if there are deliverables which are increasing, there's some other scope that it increases. Okay? Now, I'll tell you what a social media scope should include. I have not seen yours, but I'll tell you what it should have given the scenario. Any good social media agency should start with some sort of strategic approach for you and not ad hoc approach. By this, I mean, um, they should be able to first understand your consumer, your product, and how are we going to position this product on social media. And social media is not about hard selling or uploading your product images and expecting people to like. So
Right.
why will they care? I mean, I don't go on Instagram to buy a soap. I'm going to
Yes.
Instagram to chill or do something like that. And somewhere, so it is more about storytelling or more about content building.
Right.
So content development should be I'm not talking about writing caption, copy, content writing. I'm talking about how will they develop content that is very topical, that is very relevant and relatable with the target audience that you want to focus on. So that agency should first talk about asset creation, जहाँ पे उन लोग asset creation में ही ये सब done कर रहे हैं कि we know the consumer persona, we know the products very well, we know the consumer very well, and we know the competitions very well, and we know कि ये mood board और visual guideline के साथ हम लोग आगे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? इतना asset stage पे clear हो जाना चाहिए. Then you go on to what will be the usually people come up with a thought, like a campaign thought. In the sense, some hashtag campaign. I mean, Aji, I completed one pitch. I won't be able to name the brand, but listed company, public limited company. Yeah, they are into everything, office supplies, stationery supplies, and all that. So I picked the product which was highlighter. जो highlighter हम green color के pink color का highlighters आते हैं. So it was just 15-minute time which I had with the CEO. So my meeting was designed in a manner. It's today's example. I designed the meeting as a key highlight meeting because I'm talking about highlighter only. And just a second. So I was just talking about highlighters, and I gave them hashtag cut the clutter as the main thought, that we will be focusing on highlighters. We will roll this hashtag cut the clutter, and under cut the clutter, we will talk about so and so things. So in the pitch, they should be able to give you some macro thought, matlab umbrella thought. एक hashtag cut the clutter is an umbrella thought now. Now, under hashtag cut the clutter, I can show how highlighters are good for writing could-do lists and not to-do lists, because you write to-do lists, but ultimately you have to highlight what is priority or what you can do, not to do. Then for students who highlight all that in the textbook so that before the exam they can cover up the highlighted part very well and utne time mein utna hi cover kar payenge. So cut the clutter, focus on what needs your attention and go ahead in life. So ऐसे we can extend the thought for multiple target audience. I hope I am able to explain all this, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the scope they should come up with asset creation जहाँ पे उन लोग ये सारा पहले asset create करेंगे. Half of the times क्या होता है, agencies get on board, they are still struggling to understand क्या product है, कौन consumer है, and you are talking to everyone on social media then. So पहले वो done हो जाए, then you talk about, then you create some micro campaigns. These are micro campaigns. आपने 1.5 months ये campaign hashtag वाली लॉन्च की या 2 months वो चली एंड उसका रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आया, दैट वाज. अभी वो कैंपेन में आप डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट की हार्ड सेलिंग नहीं करोगे. सो इफ दे आर कमिंग अप विद सम प्लान टू यू के this is how I'll be able to so then they will come up with content formats and content buckets. By this I mean content formats are maybe I'll go with GIFs, cinemagraphs, carousels. So I'll be leveraging all these formats on Instagram for you. Like this will be my platform focus, because what platform will you be focusing is also important. You can be omnipresent everywhere, but somewhere down the line you have to focus on one platform at a time to really stick to one thing, and then you can scale. What will be the platform focus and what format I'll be using on that platform? So I'll do Q&As, I'll do polls, I'll do so that is also a part of their scope. What formats are they suggesting you for your case? What is the social hygiene that they will work on? By social hygiene I mean the highlights, the bio, the links, like everything should be at place. Then content buckets. By buckets I mean what all buckets will they cover. Now if it's a soap, maybe what the buckets, like if I talk about my case, my buckets will include FAQs about branding, then types of agencies, what are the agencies like, then Indian advertising and the gurus of Indian advertising. So all this comes like buckets. मतलब ये मेरे content buckets हो सकते हैं. ये चीजें हैं जिस पे हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. So social media is all about striking conversations and making sure that people relate with those conversations and stories, and they follow you because there is some value that they are getting from those conversations, or some resource that they are getting from there, or some storytelling. Either they are being entertained or educated, or somewhere relatability factor is there. Like if you just talk about soaps and their features, nobody is going to follow that. So they should be able to come with the asset creation, macro strategy plan, content formats, content buckets, hygiene कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, फॉर्म किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे फोकस करेंगे, एंड उनका ऑफ कोर्स डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज अ डिफरेंट. अभी भी द मीडिया प्लान एंड वो सब अलग बात है. अभी भी सोशल मीडिया लेवल पे कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट में भी दे शुड बी एबल टू गिव यू सम प्लान्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोलैबोरेशंस और बेसिक इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग जो प्लॉट हो सके. सो समवेयर देयर इज यूजर जनरेटेड कंटेंट, मतलब किस तरह यूजर भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता है हमारे फीड में, इंस्टाग्राम की फीड में, so that it's not one sided content which goes up जो हम लाइक कर रहे हैं. So थोड़ा सा तो उनको ऑर्गेनिक लेवल पे भी किस तरह नंबर्स पे काम कर सकते हैं, वो उनको थोड़ा माइलस्टोन्स देना पड़ेगा फॉर फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, एंड देन दे कैन लॉक वन फी पर मंथ. एंड रिटेनर फीस आर नथिंग, एक फिक्स अमाउंट होता है, उस फिक्स अमाउंट में इतने डिलीवरेबल्स हैं जो आपको उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करना है in terms of number of posts, number of stories, number of what will be the GIF है, motion है, उसमें के सारे static graphics हैं. ये static graphics आजकल बहुत कम हो गए, so थोड़ा सा cinematograph या basic GIF भी होगा तो थोड़ा interactive हो जाता है, या carousels are also fine. So I hope I'm able to I'm in sync with you, Sandhya.
Yes, Vivek. It's a lot more things that you have added. Of course, the agency did say it is a draft, the first draft that they are sending, and they did cover some part of it. What you just mentioned, like they saw the current profile. They said it requires rearranging of highlights, and also looking into a paid promotions through social media, and they did cover few aspects, but they said you just have a look at it. This is the first step. We can have a discussion after you review this.
In this stage ना चक मतलब ग्राफिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं ऐसे नहीं कह रहा, मैं प्लीज डोंट मिस्टेक, मैं मेरे वर्ड्स कैप्चर मत करो. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इफ आई एम सिटिंग एज अ ओनर ना, आई वुड से फक ग्राफिक्स, मेरे को पहले तुम स्ट्रैटेजी बताओ. मतलब कि मेरा एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. मेरा एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि मेरा एक पोस्ट, मेरा उसका लेआउट कैसा है ना, इट्स ओके, वी कैन Take
I,
that
I
later on.
think my network issue. I'm losing you.
Hello, hello. Are you there, Sandhya? Is it me or is it in general or guys? Quick heads up to me, like my network.
You were audible.
She is there.
Oh, okay.
She is there, but I think
Vivek, probably once my network is fine.
Don't stress. Yeah, like the call is on. You get back once your network is, because the question you asked is very serious one, and I lengthy answer is there. मतलब थोड़ा lengthy है answer. Sorry, but मैं ऐसे mid में वो नहीं break मार सकता. गलत information चली जाएगी. So bottom line ये है कि objective should be clear. The objective is conversation engagement. अभी वो किस तरह कर रहे हो वो important है. Not ठीक है. Then you can talk about visual language, graphic, वो सब आता है बाद में. Sorry, graphic guys in this. Even I am a guy, graphic guy, but social media की बात है इसलिए.
whether it's social media or it's any media, graphic will remain graphic. No, Vivek.
Of course, but graphic should solve the end purpose.
Yeah.
मैं वो try कर रहा हूँ कहने की मतलब.
Yeah, that is there.
हाँ, खाली वो आपने Envato elements, free pick से कुछ.
No.
ना बिंदास लो templates. लेकिन why are you doing that is more important. This is what I'm trying to say.
Exactly. Whether it's social media or it's print media or it's electronic media, the thing is it should serve your purpose and it should have some meaning to it.
नहीं तो एजेंसी क्लाइंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चालू हो जाता है. अभी ये सब एसेट क्रिएशन होता नहीं, एंड कंटेंट बैंक, कंटेंट कैलेंडर ये सब बनता नहीं. एडॉक यानी कल उठ के पोस्ट करना है, वो बेसिस पे काम चालू करवा देते हैं. ऑनबोर्डिंग स्किप हो जाती है. सो देन अच्छा, शी इज बैक नाउ. संध्या इज बैक. ग्रेट.
Sorry, I got dropped off. So the last thing I could hear was, ignore the graphics, and the strategy is important.
But prioritize the objective that I need conversations, I need engagement, and I need relatable factor. मतलब जिससे story telling हो थोड़ा online.
Right, because I could relate the challenge of, just now you were having a conversation with another participant that like next day morning wake up and decide what you'll post. That was the problem I was facing from the previous agency. They're not agency, like whatever the company it is. And also they were like, they never understood there is something called a strategy that we have to build and we'll start working on it. So rather everything was put on me that why don't you contact them, why don't you do this. Of course I have to do as a entrepreneur.
No,
but
if you are paying, if you are delegating, then you are delegating. Of course your inputs will be there or approvals will be there. Things that need to come from you are from the business angle, not from the creative angle. Please listen. And expect content calendar to be sorted and content bank ready. मतलब के before the next month, मतलब if you are starting from April, don't start from April, start from May. April month में टाइम इन्वेस्ट करके पूरा बैंक रेडी करवा लो May month का.
Okay.
And single approval दे दो उसको. मतलब of course you do the changes, but then single approval in the sense if you know that May month में मेरा ये content है, ये May 2 को जाएगा, ये May 7 को जाएगा, ये May 4 को जाएगा. The dates are done. The content is ready, so it's a complete Excel sheet that you should get from them. Like what is the date, what is the copy of that post, what is the caption of that post, what are the hashtags, when it will be posted, and उसमें कुछ taggings है या कुछ collaboration है या नहीं, and उसका creative बन के वो Google Drive पे upload हो जाता है. मतलब आपका Excel और एक Google Drive hand in hand चलता है, bare minimum. मतलब तो उससे आपका May month का कैलेंडर रेडी हो जाएगा, जो आपको भी पता है और आपने भी अप्रूवल दे दिया उसको. So by the time that my social media team is handling the May month's posting, the creative team can again go back, utilize the May month for the further month. वैसे तो एक month थोड़ा बैंक सिस्टम से चलना पड़ेगा. Everything cannot be pre-planned. Of course there are some posts which come up, कुछ आ गया, कुछ topical है, कुछ meme हो गया है या कुछ anything, but that ratio is 20-30%. 70% थोड़ा plan कर लो तो better है.
Understood. because I do see a lot of what do you call, the way I came across your course. There are a lot of people selling the bundle package, or the 30-day calendar kind of a template also they're selling. So I could relate based on that. And a lot of
Go
things
for
that
that.
that you spoke about earlier, giving a briefing on how they should focus on content, that's all sold in like parts, like you pay and there are agencies which are selling.
Why
So I
don't
could relate based on those,
don't go for it.
you know.
Bottom line, draft a.
Yeah, yeah.
Last session also I said you make sure that we have one brief document first for your brand. I'll help you in that case if you want. पहले हम अलाइन हो जाते हैं कि हमें एक्सपेक्टेड क्या है एजेंसी से, एंड देन वो एजेंसी को उतना डिप्लॉय कर देते हैं काम, एंड देन लेट देम बी फ्री विद देयर क्रिएटिविटी. एंड ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू सी इन डिजिटल एंड सोशल केस. क्रिएटिव यस, बट क्रिएटिव कम्स ऑन नंबर 2, फर्स्ट कम्स द ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस. कभी कभार कुछ पोस्ट में ग्राफिक ऊपर नीचे हो गया चलेगा, बट अगर उस बंदे ने टाइम पे किया और कंटेंट सही रहा तो भी एंगेजमेंट आएगी.
Sure. I do follow some of the profiles wherein I can't really say that they are really great in their like it's a repeat content. They are not
That's okay.
any in no. What I'm trying to say is they just repeat content, and they what I noticed is that it is a similar pictures and repeatedly they're posting, but they have established a good client base and there is an engagement. Like the entrepreneur is constantly keeping the customer base or even the potential customer engaged through their stories, like they're very regular in their stories. But it defies all that we spoke about, like how the designing is important, how the calendar, and these are all like I don't know, like totally not following any of the norms, but still they're keeping their engagement on and they're able to connect with the audience. So that is what I wanted to share.
No, absolutely, you are right. But again, we can connect in person. I mean, and discuss the other parameters as well. But make sure that everything is ticked before you really go ahead and do something. And hello, Acha, I got Acha. Vedika is backing the point. Great, explain. I just tried to. I'm a design guy, but still, I've been on the this side of the table as a client and dealt with digital and social agencies. So after burning hands, you get to know a couple of things.
Yeah, over here, I would like to say something.
Yeah, she can add more value. Yeah.
So, as a marketer, like when I started my journey, right now I'm not so much into social media. I'm more, like I told, I'm more of a ROI person. There are a few things that the client, if they are if they are clear on their part, it becomes way more easier for an agency to execute your things.
I know.
What happens is, like this is something that I've faced in the past as a social media marketer, that when I started my journey, the clients were not very clear with their objectives. Okay, what happens is they first of all they want to pay you like really less. Okay, they'll be like, यार आपको posting ही तो करना है, creative और caption ही तो लिखना है, but they don't understand the time and effort that goes behind the copy, the caption, the scheduling, the planning and everything. They don't understand that. Okay, then they feel that बस post कर दो and आपका काम खत्म है. You will suddenly start getting inquiries and you will suddenly start getting returns. There has to be a very clear objective that whether you want to do something with respect to brand awareness, with whether you want something with respect to getting returns. If you want returns, then are you willing to spend in ads? Now when it comes to ads also, people just say ki boost hi to kar rahe ho aap post, but nobody understands there is a whole psychology that goes behind the ads. There is a whole study of the target audience, there is a whole retargeting audience and everything that goes behind it. So I would suggest Sandhya to be very clear on her own objectives, on her own requirements, and then accordingly tell the agency also very, very nicely and actually give a written brief as to what she wants. Because if there is a written brief, that's the first guideline that you are giving to your agency. Now your agency starts thinking from that point of view.
Yeah.
So
what I
what I do for my clients is I give them a I give them a client DNA form wherein I ask them about, how much are they willing to invest, what is their objective, what I ask them about two or three of their competitors, because every brand thinks that this is my competitor. And sometimes, when you actually talk to them, you realize that okay, they are comparing themselves to a very high level firm. You
Hmm.
have to compare with a comparable. That is also very important. Like if
Yeah.
today I launch a new water bottle, I can't directly compare myself to Tupperware. I need to, of course, when I'm creating the identity, brand identity, I might think that I want to become like that. But today, if I'm starting the social media, my objectives, my campaigns, my everything cannot be same as Tupperware at this point. Maybe after 6 7 months, or a year or so, it can go up to that level, because when a company is starting, they don't even want to invest. So these are very small things which the agency faces.
Right.
Right,
Sure.
right.
Thanks for the input, Vedika. The thing is, why I'm a little bit aware or educated about this is initially I couldn't understand about reaching out the agency, so I tried learning by myself, and see some of the entrepreneurs do that because they're very small business and they don't have these budget of going to an agency. So I tried do wearing both the hats and trying to do it. That hence that little bit awareness about what goes into it, and what is a kind of, right from what is archetypes and architecture and so on and so forth. But I also see, like, vaguely when a client asks the agency saying that this is my competitor and I just want to look like them. I do get what you're trying to articulate here.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more thing, like if you've studied the whole thing, it becomes even more easier to get your work done properly.
Hmm.
So, as an entrepreneur, if you are, getting, like, if I, like today, I am not the creative person in my team. Like I have a designing team. They are the ones who are the creative people. Right now, I am trying to study about creativity. I will never sit at the artboard and design. Right now, the only reason why I'm taking this course is because I want to understand that what is the concept that goes behind branding. Uh, because I know that I don't have, it requires a lot of patience to be a graphic designer, and I don't have that much of patience. So even if I want to give a client pitch or a client brief, I have to know my topic well. Similarly, like if you know your subject, you can get the work done as well. So if you've done it in the past, it's like a win-win for you.
Sure, I can relate it. Like when the agency talks about the certain technical jargons or terminology, I'm able to relate only because of the time spent in understanding the dynamics,
Yeah.
and I could, relate whatever you're trying to say, that plan your thing and it gets easier both for the client and for the agency to execute and achieve the end goal.
Right.
Absolutely. It was a great value addition from Vedika. And isliye Sandhya has said you that first let us sit and draft a brief document from our side. And then let's go out and see who is doing our work. Alright.
Sure.
Great. But I hope this helps, Sandhya. Let's connect one to one again for your and I'll just add to Vedika's lines that as she said that entrepreneurs should also be knowledgeable from their side, and thus she's a part of a further course as well now, where a lot of things are being included for the entrepreneur. I'll share that doc tomorrow maybe in the last session, but the effort is to make sure that the gap in the industry bridges, because both like the demand, the entrepreneurs really need to level up in terms of their knowledge so that they can deal very well with the creatives. And this course is trying to level up this creatives out there, the grind. I'll just redefine creativity or try to. It's not about just designing. That's what I'm trying to advocate since long. This graphic designer should really level up their mindset and understand the business objective of the client. That's the moral of the story. I mean, ठीक है आप अभी आप कुछ मैं 5 सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट बनाऊंगा, कोई आप 5 मिनट सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट बना दोगे. So क्रिएटिविटी वो भी अच्छे हैं, ये भी अच्छे हैं, बट व्हाट अबाउट द एंगेजमेंट, या व्हाट अबाउट कि मेरा कंटेंट सही है या नहीं. सो थोड़ा डिजाइनर्स भी ये लेवल पे सोचे, so it will be easy to work in a team altogether, because just being a layout designer won't help now is my take on this.